Good day everyone. Today we have yet another great piece of German engineering. It's a BOGE C9LF. It's a 7.5 kilowatt screw air compressor with inverter drive. It's a Schneider inverter drive. Also, there are many advantages for this compressor. One of them is a direct drive compressor, so no bell hooks are installed here. It's a direct drive, and also it has direct cooling with this fan over here. This unit it's in pretty good condition, and it only has regularly maintained, and only has 8,400 hours, and only 836 hours under load, and 2000 before regular maintenance. The maximum pressure for this compressor is 8 bars. So this is inverter drive, and it's made in 2015. So it's variable speed drive, which gives 0.26 to 1.27 cubic meters per minute. Actually, we have prepared a little test today. We connected it with 300 liters air receiver. It's 0 bars in the system. Now I will start compressor and see how it builds pressure. That would be 8 bars. Now I will release the pressure and speed up the variable speed drive. This compressor actually works pretty amazing. So this one is good recommendation. It's really fast. It's equipped with inverter system and it's best of German engineering. So don't miss this great item and good luck on your bids.